French in Lucknow. Learn French in a smarter way.
Bonjour mes amis et bienvenue sur notre chaîne frenchinlucknow.com. Je m'appelle Amit. Hello my friends and welcome to our channel frenchinlucknow.com. My name is Amit. In the previous video we have discussed this, how to arrange a table. Dans cette classe, on va discuter les adverbes de quantité. On attaque. In this class, we are going to discuss the adverb of quantity. Let's start. Beaucoup. Beaucoup means a lot. There is another word also, beaucoup de. When we add beaucoup de or the apostrophe always comes when the next word is starting with a vowel. As you know, A, E, I, O, U, Y and semi-vowel H. When the next word is starting with any of these letters, we put the apostrophe. Beaucoup de. When after beaucoup there is a verb, then we use only beaucoup, and if there is a noun, then we use beaucoup de. Peu, not much. Il voyage peu, he not travels not much. J'aime beaucoup neiger, I like to swim a lot. Beaucoup de. J'ai beaucoup de chocolat, I have a lot of chocolate. Peu de and peu de. This here, it refers to that those things which are uncountable, like sugar, salt. The grains you cannot count. Whereas peu de we use for countable nouns. Little, both meaning gives me sense, same sense almost. Little, a little. Il y a peu de tomates. Tomatoes you can count. There are a few tomatoes, and there are a little sugar in the tea. Il y a un peu de sucre dans le thé. Trop de and tant de. Tant de is so much, okay, and this is too much. For example, if you put 1 teaspoon of sugar in your tea, it's a lot. Okay, beaucoup de sucre. When you put 2 spoons of sugar in your tea, it's so much. Tant de. Tu as tant de gâteau. You have so much of cake. But when you push the 3rd spoon of sugar in your tea, it's too much. Trop de. J'ai trop de travail. I have too much work. Assez de. Enough of. Vous avez assez d'argent. You have enough of the money. Moins de and plus de, they both are used only in the comparison. Okay, elle a moins de 10 ans. She is lesser than here. Then comparison is being made. Then 10 years. Ils ont plus de poissons. They have more fishes. Then again comparison is happening. So usually you will find que, which gives the sense of then, in the middle of the sentence. That's how you know that you can use moins de, plus de, either of them. Alright. Then we have pronom sujet, on. In Lucknow, people generally use hum for addressing themselves only, alone. Okay, it's like giving respect to yourself while no one else is giving. So in Paris also, in that region, Ile de Paris region, there people refer themselves as on for himself, herself, and addressing their own self. Okay, one, we. It is singular we. It is we, but singular we, unlike nous, which is plural we, or we can understand as we all. So this is only we and this is we all. Just like the difference in tu, which is you, and vous, which is you all. O is also used in multiple manners, like if you want to say something generally, we use on, like on dit que c'est dans le besoin que l'on reconnaît ses amis. One says that a friend in need is a friend indeed. One says a general statement. On va au marché pour faire les courses. We are going to the market to to do household shopping. D'accord. And we have already discussed it in detail, the imperative sentences. But again, 4 rules for imperative sentences. That first rule, always use tu, nous and vous form of the verb. Rule number 2, remove the subject pronouns. Rule number 3, put exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. And rule number 4, for er ending verbs only, if it is an er ending verb, then from its tu form, remove this s. So, regarde, regardons, regardez. It does not work with ir ending verb or re ending verb. Hence, here, just remove this, put an exclamation mark. Fini, finissons, finissez. Faire, fait, faisons, faites. But here are 4 exceptions: sois, soyons, soyez, et, ayons, ayez, sache, sachons, sachez, veuille, veuillons, veuillez. 4 exceptions. While making its negative, just put na before the verb and pa after the verb, and at the end exclamation mark as usual. But if it is a pronominal verb where this se, se, oneself, is before the infinitive form of the verb, where the doer is acting on himself, herself, itself, in those kinds of verb, again, tu ta couche, nous nous couchons, vous vous couchez, we are using tu, nous and vous form of the verb. Then we are removing the subject pronouns. Then this ta is going here in the normal sentences. It's becoming toi. Nous is coming here, becoming nous, remaining nous only, and vous is coming also here. Couchez-vous. Only this toi thing is different. Couche-toi, couchons-nous, couchez-vous. But when for pronominal verbs, when they are in negative, then the rule goes back to the normal one. Na ta couche pas. This ta is not here. It is back to its place. Na ta couche pas. Na ne couchons pas. We are just removing the subject pronoun, putting exclamation mark. And for the negative, we are keeping the negative here only, so that the reflexive pronoun ta, nous, vous, extra nous, extra vous, and this ta is not going here. This is not working over here in the negative sentences. L'adjective tu, this is an adjective. It gives many meanings. As all the adjectives, it is always placed with the nouns, okay, and it changes itself according to the number and gender of the noun here. So tu, that is masculine singular form, its plural form is tous, tu, we call it tu only. Feminine singular form is toute. In the masculine singular form, we add extra e to make it feminine singular, and we add extra es to make it feminine plural case. Then les hommes, masculine plural, it is masculine plural case, masculine plural, so we are using tu, masculine plural form. Femme, feminine plural form, so we are using toutes, toutes les femmes. It gives the meaning all the women, all the men, every woman, every man also. Tous mes amis, toutes mes amis, here amis is feminine plural, so we are using toutes mes amis. Tous ces magasins, masculine plural, toutes ces rues, feminine plural. Whereas tout le monde, everybody, everyone, tout le temps, all the time. These are some expressions. Indiquer le chemin, indicate the path. Tourner à gauche, turn towards left. Tourner à droite, turn towards right. Aller tout droit, go all straight. Faire le tour, take a U-turn. Prendre la première rue à droite, take the first left at right. Passer devant le cinéma, passer in front of the cinema. You can also say prendre la deuxième rue à gauche, take the second left at left. Take the second left. Au nord, à l'est, nord, est, sud, ouest. Est, ouest, nord, sud. Au nord, towards north. À l'est, in the east. Au sud, in the south. À l'ouest, in the west. Il y a, there is, there are. Doing the first exercise, here, adverb of filling the adverb of quantity. Je n'aime pas les frites. I do not like the French fries. Donnez-moi peu de. Give me pas de, not much of fries. Ajoutez poivre dans votre plat. Here, poivre is pepper. Dans votre plat, plat is dish. In your dish, please add a little. So, pepper, you cannot count the grains. So, ampo the, uncountable quantity. Ampo the. For the, this is for the first one, this is for the second one. Mélangez la farine et versez peu de lait. Okay, a little. Now lait also you cannot count, so you can use here this for C1. Peu de lait. N'achète pas de fruits parce que nous avons. Do not buy the fruits parce que nous avons. We have assez de. You can say enough of fruits dans le frigo or beaucoup de fruits. Beaucoup de fruits. Okay, so beaucoup de fruits. You can use this in the D1. Here, aujourd'hui j'ai travail à faire, je suis fatigué. Today I have so much of work, I am tired. So here in the E1, trop de or tant de, so much. So tant de. Let's fill this. Tant de. Il y a too much noise. Trop de. Il y a trop de bruit dans la classe. Le professeur est en colère. Je prends. There is too much noise in the class. The professor is in anger. Je prends. Then sel, salt. Okay, here you can use many things. Muada, a little. Okay. No. Okay. Fever. Least. Salt. I take. Or beaucoup de, lots of salt. Or peu de, not much salt. You can use all of them. So the video is becoming longer, so we will continue in the next class. C'est tout pour la classe aujourd'hui. Au revoir et à bientôt. Merci beaucoup.